Hello folks and welcome. Here I have for you this very interesting woodworking tool, a versatile protractor. The brand is KWB, it's a German brand, but the tool is manufactured in Taiwan. Basically, it's not only a woodworking tool, it could be of great use in many other technical sectors. As you can see, it's made of plastic and it has 3 levers plus a locking nut over here. The protractor has 4 scales plus one additional for precise measuring of the minutes of the angle, not only the degrees but the minutes also. Here I have this wooden plank which I have already modified so I can demonstrate you the versatility of the tool. First, we can use the tool to measure the obtuse angle between those two surfaces. Simple as that. And we have to read the value of the angle by using the intermediate scale, this scale over here. Next, we can measure the sharp angle between those two surfaces. Again, pretty simple, and we have to read the value of the angle by using this scale over here. Third, we can use the protractor to verify right angles. This angle over here should be right. Let's check it, and yes, that's a right angle. Of course, you can use the protractor in places where you have bulges like this one. In this case, to measure the angle between this surface over here and this over here, we have to set the protractor in this way. Of course, we can measure this angle over here also. Again, pretty simple. With this tool, you could virtually measure any angle out there, and the best part is its price. It costs only 4 euros. A real bargain. So that's from me, guys. If you'd like the video, thumbs up and subscribe.